Happy Saturday, everybody. Hi, I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor, and this is Strategy Saturday, where we turn low-carb knowledge into real-life momentum. Today's topic is you're still eating seed oils. Here's where they hide. So let's talk about something that might be sabotaging your results without you even realizing it. You've cleaned up the fats, you've ditched canola and swapped in tallow and butter, but you're still inflamed. Maybe your skin is acting up, or your gut is off, or you're just wondering why you're not really feeling much better yet. Seed oils might still be sneaking in, and they do not give up easily. So even if you're not pouring vegetable oil into a pan, you're probably still eating it. Let's uncover 5 common places where seed oils like soybean, canola, and safflower oil hide in plain sight. Number 1, salad dressings and mayo. Even the avocado versions are often cut with soybean oil or canola oil to save money. Look for 100% on the front and check the first 3 ingredients. Number 2, roasted nuts and seeds. Most are roasted in seed oils. They take this healthy nut and then make it bad. Even the fancy brands in health food stores do this. So choose dry roasted or raw and add your own salt. Number 3, dips, hummus, and spreads. That creamy texture, usually from seed oils. Make your own or look for clean label brands using olive oil. Number 4, canned fish. Even healthy staples like sardines and tuna are often packed in soybean or safflower oil. Choose water-packed or truly olive oil-packed fish. Number 5, rotisserie and restaurant food. Grilled chicken, it could be seared in a soy oil blend. That golden skin on the rotisserie chicken, usually from vegetable oil. Ask for no oil added or skip the skin unless you know it's a reputable source. When I first started cleaning up my fats and losing a lot of body fat, something surprising happened. I got the keto rash, that itchy red irritation that shows up when you're burning a lot of stored fat. It was in random places. And guess what? One theory is that as you lose fat, especially stored fat from when seed oils were your main source, your body starts releasing old oxidized fats and toxins into your system. So even though I had ditched the oils, my body was still detoxing them. The rash was likely my skin responding to those compounds coming out. That was a wake-up call, not just for not just to stop consuming seed oils, but to start being mindful of where they were still sneaking in. So here's your strategy. Pick one item this weekend: mayo, dressing, roasted nuts. Flip it over and read the label. If you find seed oils, plan your upgrade. Do some research. Remember, you don't just eat fats, you store them, and they stay in your body a long time. And sometimes you have to detox what was stored years ago. If you're interested in learning what fats are good for the keto diet, click the link in my description or at the end of this video, Embracing the Keto Good Fats. And don't forget, read the label. I'll see you in the next video.